Hey look, I'm putting it up back in its case. I'm not sponsored by Lowe's or Cobalt, but after using all these other crappy drill bits like Black & Decker or DeWalt or whatever, these are the best drill bits I've ever used. Like titanium coated Cobalt drill bits. I don't know how much it cost me, probably around 50 bucks or something like that. My goal here is to show you that you can do stuff with just cheap tools. You don't have to have the best top of the line. Yeah, I've got a Snap-on toolbox, but I've had that since 2003. Straight for the most part. It's good enough for government work. I learned that in the Marines. Let's go put this thing back on. Or maybe we'll do it another day.